But usually with bigger vehicles, people just tailgate you until you just get sick of it. Then you get over. So I'm trying to stay with the flow and not hold up traffic and just keep everyone happy. You know, if you're a new driver, you're always concerned about everyone else. And I'm just trying to keep it going, and eventually I get over to the middle lane, because in a bigger vehicle, this thing is just sucking up gas or diesel. This is a gasoline vehicle. And hopefully you can hear me. You can tell I have 4 blinks and the wind is really pushing this vehicle. Hopefully you can see in the mirrors pretty well. I have a new Bronco to my left. They're flying up. I mean, I am pushing, and these cars are right along with you. And this is kind of a bird's eye view of driving a bigger vehicle. You're more aware of mirrors, spacing, because these cars could just come into your lane. I'm looking at this lady. She's riding with one hand. I'm trying to hold this vehicle. I know my truck driver's gonna be like, hey, you're doing okay, bro. Just try to keep holding to stay relaxed. But it's a different vibe out here. And I'm just trying to be safe, not hold up traffic. And I think the middle lane for me is best. But I'm looking at my fuel gauge, it's just going down like nothing. So, and I'm watching them, no blinker coming out. So I'm just trying to stay smooth, stay away from cars. And I have a greater appreciation for semi-truck drivers. And there's that little Bronco. She's flying, I'm trying to hold it. And I'm just lifting my foot a little bit. You lose speed really fast. And it kind of takes you a moment to get back up. So I'm aware of this semi-truck. Whoa, I see another truck with smoke coming out. So I'm just lifting my foot. I'm gonna let all this traffic pass me. Then I'm gonna get over to the left, because I don't think I have the horsepower to get over to the right and then get back over to the left. So I'm just lifting my foot. I am losing some of my following distance, which is a little nerve-wracking. So I got my left blinker on, and then I'm making sure. Woo! And now I understand where these semi-trucks, they have a diesel and low speed torque is, but this is still a gasoline engine. I'll have to find out. But road noise is definitely much more prevalent with this right lane closed ahead, so we're gonna have a traffic slowdown. This is my most direct route across the country to pick up this content creator. So I'm just trying to look ahead, looking for brake lights, holding my wheel, and I'm lifting my foot a little bit. I'm really trying to look ahead as far as possible. And I'm looking ahead where those white vehicles are, like 7, 8, 9 cars ahead, lifting my foot a little bit. I can see the lanes getting down. I really don't want to be by this lady. So I'm just lifting my foot a little bit. But if I lose too much speed, the car's gonna be on top of me. I see brake lights on, so I'm lifting my foot. And I'm trying to manage fuel economy. And I'm looking ahead around the curve, because you can really feel this vehicle going into the curves. Checking those mirrors. Ouch. I'm really cramped in here, so I have another appreciation for semi-truck drivers who are in those cramped vehicles. The seat's all the way back because there's a huge cargo area. We've got to get camera equipment, props. So the content creator sent me a text, hey, can you come and get me? You know, we'll do collaboration. I'm like, sure. Oh. I'm lifting my foot again. And you see me keeping a lot more space. See a lot of cars not using blinkers. And I'm trying to keep going. Cars are tailgating you. It's 44 degrees outside. whoa, don't want to run over that stuff in the road and blow out this tire. I know how to change a tire, but in this bigger truck, there's going to be a, I don't think they have a spare, so I have to call roadside service. That would really throw me off. I have some open space.